You can use Sendspark and Skylead together to create AI personalized videos for each of your contacts and then send them in LinkedIn automation. So, what you're doing here is you're taking one video that you recorded the placeholder phrase, hi, watermelon, I made you a video, XYZ. And then you toggle on voice cloning, tell us replace the word watermelon with your viewer's first name. You can set up, a landing page, embedded calendar to book more meetings from your video outreach. And then in the final step, you're going to upload your contacts and then generate videos. Each of them is going to say their name and show you recording over their website like this.
Hi, Megan. I just generated this video using Sendspark.
Grab another one.
Hi, Chandrasekhar. I just generated this video.
So you can see you're creating, it's all the same video, but each one's personalized for each person. What we'll do next is we'll download the CSV and then import it to Skylead to use in LinkedIn automation, either connection requests, messages, anything there. It's pretty cool. But one note I want to make first is when you import your CSV into Skylead, you need to use the viewer's LinkedIn profile. This is how we're mapping like the right video in Sendspark to the right contact in your LinkedIn automation. So when you're in this step where you're adding contacts, you want to keep the LinkedIn field somewhere on this data table. So you could either use it as the background URL, which means that you'd be like recording over their LinkedIn profile here, and then you'll still have it in your export. Or what I do in this case, a little hacky, I just put it in the job title field, and then I don't use the job title field on the rest of the landing page, just to keep it in the export. Because now what we're going to do when we send it in Skylead, we'll click download CSV, and we now have it, and then we're going to upload it into Skylead when we create a new campaign. One quick note is that for Skylead, you have to label your columns very appropriately. So before we actually import it, we're going to open the CSV and then we're going to rename these fields so that it maps into Skylead properly. So we're going to call them first name, email is the same, its current company. And then remember, this was we're using as the LinkedIn field, so we'll call it profile URL. This background URL is really the website, so we'll call it website again. Just website and video link. This is what we're using to send each video to each person. So I'll just call it video link to match their format. And then we can save this. And then because I'm using like the Apple stuff, I have to actually export this again as a CSV. So let me just do that really quick. How do I do that? File, export to CSV. Can you tell I'm normally a Google Sheets person? Okay, so we'll save that and replace the old one. And now when we go into Skylead, we can send this off by creating a new campaign and then using this import option, choose a file and grab the one that we just edited here and then give it a name. And we're mapping this in. Okay, so now what we can do is use this contact list in a sequence. And I'm going to just set this up to be, I usually do connection requests, but just for demos, here, I'll actually do that. So we can send this in a connection request, and then we'll just use that video link. So we can say, hi, first name, here's a video to show you XYZ. And then we'll use this dynamic field video link, which we had as that column on our sheet. And then that column is just using, these unique video links for every person. So when they get the message, they're going to see, hi, their name, here's a video. And then that video is going to be the link to the file. And I'll just show you how that actually renders in LinkedIn. It's going to look like this. So when you send the link, they'll still see that it's a link, but they'll also get this cute little preview, and it's going to pull in the header here. So if you use their first name here in the header area, they'll see this right in their LinkedIn messenger. So it's a great way to just like humanize your connection request. We're getting really good responses from our own staff. It's around 60%. And I know a lot of our customers are getting that or similar. So I hope this helps you connect more personally at scale, both for connection requests. And then also you can use this in messages as, in relation to marketing campaigns, and other automation you have going on. So enjoy. Let us know if you have any feedback, and happy connecting.